For centuries, we've looked to the night sky, wondering if somewhere out there, another world once hosted life. Mars, our mysterious red neighbor, has always been at the heart of that question. Dry, cold, and desolate today, but billions of years ago, rivers once flowed and lakes shimmered under its sky. To uncover that ancient secret, humanity built a machine, one that could travel across space, survive the impossible, and search for traces of life itself. In February 2021, after traveling nearly 480 million kilometers through the void of space, a small car-sized robot descended through the thin red skies of Mars. 7 minutes of terror, and then, touchdown. That moment marked the beginning of one of humanity's most ambitious scientific quests, NASA's Perseverance rover. Perseverance wasn't built to just roam the Martian desert. It was sent there to answer one of the oldest questions we've ever asked. Are we alone in the universe? Perseverance is part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission, a robotic explorer designed to search for signs of ancient microbial life, study Mars geology, and collect samples that could one day return to Earth. It's a joint effort of incredible engineering, built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and launched on 30th July 2020 aboard an Atlas V rocket. After 7 months in deep space, it landed safely inside Jezero crater on 18th February 2021. Jezero crater wasn't chosen at random. Billions of years ago, this 45-kilometer-wide basin held a vast lake fed by ancient rivers. Sediments, minerals, and clays deposited there could preserve traces of microbial life that might once have thrived in Mars' watery past. The science behind Perseverance. Perseverance is not just a rover, it's a rolling laboratory. It carries over 23 cameras, 2 microphones, a powerful robotic arm, and instruments that can analyze the chemical and mineral makeup of Martian rocks. Its key science objectives are fourfold. 1. Study Mars habitability. Was Jezero crater ever capable of supporting life? Seek signs of past life. Look for biosignatures or chemical clues left by ancient microbes. 2. Collect and cache samples, drill, core, and seal rock and soil samples for future return missions. Prepare for human exploration. Test technologies that could help humans survive on Mars someday. Perseverance carries 43 sample tubes, each sterilized and waiting to hold a piece of Mars story. With its drill, the rover cores into rocks, sealing the samples for future recovery by the Mars Sample Return Mission, a bold plan to bring Martian material back to Earth in the 2030s. Each sample represents a chapter of Martian history. Ancient river deltas, volcanic remnants, and sediments that might contain organic molecules or biosignatures, chemical patterns only living organisms could have made. One of the most exciting discoveries so far came from a rock nicknamed Chewa Falls. The core sample, called Sapphire Canyon, revealed potential biosignatures, subtle signs of past microbial life preserved for billions of years. If confirmed, it could be the first evidence that life once existed beyond Earth. Ingenuity, the little helicopter that could. Riding along with Perseverance was something revolutionary, a small drone named Ingenuity. Originally designed as a short technology demo, Ingenuity became the first aircraft ever to fly on another planet. With each hop, it pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the thin Martian atmosphere, scouting terrain, guiding the rover, and proving that flight beyond Earth is achievable. Its success changed the future of planetary exploration forever. Technology and innovation. Perseverance is also testing key technologies for future human missions. The MOXIE experiment, for example, converts carbon dioxide from Mars' atmosphere into pure oxygen, the kind humans can breathe or use as rocket fuel. This small box could one day scale up to sustain astronauts on the surface. Other sensors monitor weather, dust, and radiation, crucial data for designing habitats and spacesuits that can withstand Mars' harsh conditions. Every bolt, wheel, and instrument on Perseverance serves a double purpose: to explore the past and prepare for the future. What Jezero tells us. Through high-resolution imaging, Perseverance revealed that Jezero's ancient delta still holds layers of sediment, each one a timeline of Mars history. It shows how water once flowed, how the climate shifted, and how the planet gradually lost its atmosphere. These discoveries don't just tell us about Mars, they help us understand the story of Earth itself, how planets live, evolve, and maybe die. Why Perseverance matters. Humanity has always looked up at the night sky and wondered, is life out there? Perseverance is our best attempt to find out. Every image it sends, every rock it studies, brings us one step closer to knowing whether life ever sparkled under a Martian sun. Even if the answer is no, that knowledge shapes how we see our place in the universe, fragile, unique, and endlessly curious. As of today, Perseverance has driven over 30 kilometers across Jezero crater and collected more than 24 samples. It continues to explore, analyze, and send breathtaking panoramas back to Earth, each one a postcard from another world.